Hi guys! Today we're gonna describe basil. Hey! Do you know what is a basil? I will describe to you what is a basil. Basil is a herb plant. It's used in making yummy food such as pesto and pasta. It also helps in drying away mosquitoes. So, you need to plant basil so you will have no mosquitoes in your house. So, did you know that mosquitoes don't like basil? The mosquitoes will go away if you have basil. This is how you will propagate basil plants. Propagate means how to make it plenty. These are my basil plants.
So what are we gonna do right now?
We're gonna teach you how to grow basil. We're gonna water our basil plants. This is how you water it. Don't water the leaves because if you water it every day, they will get sick. So this is how we water it. See?
Hello, this is my new shirt. So I like it for my new video. And this is for the project to help the plants.
Okay.
Using this is for cutting, but don't touch it. It's for kids. So I will ask my mom for help. So don't touch these, but if you touch it, you will get sugat.
And I'm Chloe, so you need to ask for help.
So what we're gonna do is we will choose a stem here. Look, We'll stem near the nodes of the plant. Cut it. Oh, see here, pretty.
That's how you cut it.
Cut. Then
Can I hold it?
okay, you can hold it, Chloe. You'll get some more.
You can smell it.
You can smell it. Smell it.
Okay.
Here. Okay, so we have two cuttings.
We will prepare this for water propagation.
Okay.
We will remove the big leaves. All of these. We will remove this, and this. This is gonna be for propagation.
Okay, how are you gonna do it?
This.
Okay.
I will smell it. It's so yummy.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put it down.
Can I put this down?
Okay, Chloe.
Okay, next. And then last is here. See? And that's how we prepare this for water propagation.
You're done? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see this one? See? Can I see this one? Oh.
Smell it, everyone! How to plant a basil? You will need a small bottle and water inside. Put the basil cuttings in it. See? Here.
Good job. And then here it is. Small bottle with water inside. We will put it near the window so also the sunlight will shine on them. We'll check after
5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
I'll see you in 5 days. And we will check if there are roots. So, that's the end for now. Bye!
1 week later.
Let's go! Do you want to see my basil plant? Let's go! 1 week!
after 1 week. Can we show the roots?
Yeah. Right there.
Okay. So, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna
Transfer to a pot.
transfer it to a pot.
Okay, we have a pot. Next step, we have to get soil. Everyone, look at this. There's a sign. My mom will put one more scoop.
Okay, I'll put one more scoop. Okay.
Gardening is fun. Sometimes your hands get dirty.
But you can
Wash your hands again.
wash your hands again.
So, Mom,
Okay.
how do you do it? Just take the roots out.
Take the roots out and you make a small hole.
Yeah. Then place it there.
Place it there. And can you push away? Put the soil back. Okay, good job, darling.
Okay.
Okay, how about the
Later
other
we'll
one?
put a stick, right?
Yes, how about the other one, darling?
Okay.
Mhm.
The one with okay.
Okay, so there.
We will get the last pot because my mom thought it was 2.
Oh, we have 3.
We actually
Okay.
had 3.
Okay,
We're gonna
get the
get-
pot there. Show them the other basil plants that you have
Here.
propagated. Where? There. Look, those are baby plants. What?
Yesterday we had the video and you saw that, right? I was just gonna down your pot. My mom will just put soil, okay?
Okay.
I'll video you.
That's
me.
okay. It's okay. Okay, Ethan, go.
Sure. Wait, I'll wait for you.
Wait. Go.
Okay. This is the last. So, I will dig one more hole. Like I said, you put it in.
Careful with the roots.
In the big hole. Just a little bit small.
There.
And put
Okay.
it in the mama. Oopsie.
Okay.
There you go. Our 3 basil plants.
Ooh, I hope they will grow as healthy as the others.
So here are my babies. I'll show you the ones that I planted. These are the ones that I planted. And then these are the ones that my mom has. Yeah. See
Okay.
that? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
See you.